Let us learn the concept of difference between few and many and few. Few and many. Few apples, many apples. Few books, many books. Few flowers, many flowers. Few balls, many balls. Few friends, many friends. Few candies, many candies. Few parrots, many parrots. Many and few. Many bananas, few bananas. Many cars, few cars. Many candles, few candles. Many balloons, few balloons. Many colors, few colors. Many dry fruits, few dry fruits. Many fishes, few fishes. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and follow us for more video.